Good day, my name is Ilgate Sambo, and today we're going to focus on photolysis and photosynthesis. So photolysis is the crucial first step in photosynthesis where light energy is used to split water molecules into electrons, protons, and oxygen. Here is an example of photolysis of water. So in this diagram we see sunlight, water, protons, electrons, and oxygen. So in the first step or on the reaction part, we can see water, and then on the product we see electrons, protons, and oxygen. This process drives the light-dependent reactions by restoring electrons lost by chlorophyll in photosystem 2, and also it releases oxygen as a vital byproduct for aerobic life. This process provides electrons to replace those lost by chlorophyll, proton to drive ATP synthesis and release oxygen. So where exactly does it occur? The location of photolysis occurs in the thylakoid membrane of the chloroplast during the light-dependent reactions. And then now we're going to focus on the catalyst. The catalyst in this point is the oxygen evolving complex, which contains manganese and calcium and acts as the catalyst for the reaction. Mechanism: light energy excites chlorophyll, causing the oxygen evolving complex, which is the catalyst, to break water molecules down into protons, electrons, and oxygen. Replenished chlorophyll to continue the electron transport chain. The protons build up a proton gradient to generate ATP, and then oxygen is released as a byproduct into the atmosphere, essential for aerobic life. So, in conclusion, photolysis is a critical bottleneck step that converts solar energy into chemical energy, which is NADPH and ATP. This diagram summarizes everything that you need to know about photolysis or water splitting in photosynthesis. Thank you.